Yeah.
Smith machine box squat. So standard squat, standard Smith machine variation. Only difference is you're going to add a box and you're going to squat to the box, okay? You can use this for a whole bunch of different things. Doesn't really matter what the reasons are. All that really matters is how you actually execute it, okay? So unracking the bar across your shoulders just like this. Make sure that you obviously don't hit this into the rack here, so you make sure to fully twist this away. Hands whatever width is comfortable. For me, if I go too narrow, it hurts my elbows. So if I would just go a wee bit wider, it's okay. I will hurt my elbows just for the purpose of the video. All I'm doing is I'm sitting down on a box. It's pretty much that simple. So sitting all the way down, I want to actually let my weight rest on the box fully, drive back up again. Down, nice and slow, rest on the box, drive back up again. So for me there, my feet are a wee bit too far back and my heels were leaving the floor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the foot position, down, and now that's better. And you will find you'll have to do the same thing, okay? We are all very unique, very different joint lengths, different joint shapes, muscle insertion positions, etc., etc. You will have to manipulate your hip position, your knee position, your ankle position until it feels comfortable, okay? So don't allow yourself to fall in the mindset of thinking your feet have to go in a certain position or other parts of your body have to. As long as the bar feels reasonably comfortable, as long as your joints in your legs feel reasonably comfortable, nothing is painful, nothing feels sharp, and you're also controlling the descent, you're resting your weight fully on the box, you're driving back up to a full position at the top, and you're doing it in a way that's challenging, you're going to grow muscle, you're going to develop yourself. Don't worry too much about where everything else is. Whatever's comfortable and safe and allows you to actually do it properly is the best for you.